To a demonstration, a unique new way to add dimension to your enjoyment this 1966 Ford built automobile. Here, from Ford Motor Company, is another significant first. The distinctive pleasure of stereophonic music on a specially designed and engineered tape system. You select your favorite music. Classical, folk, jazz, show tunes. From a broad selection that includes more than 150 recordings of the world's greatest artists. With stereo in your car, you enjoy the music you want, when you want it, without annoying interruptions. Stereo system perform at its best under virtually studio-like conditions. May we suggest that you roll up the windows of the car, sit back for a moment, and enjoy the music. Just imagine how entertainingly relaxing this unique feature would be on your next car. Demonstration of Ford stereo and the overall total quality of our 1966 cars, may we invite you to take a total performance test drive. Mercury salesmen have complete details on the Ford family of fine units and will be pleased to provide any information you wish.